So as you can see right now, we are at the harbor, about to board the boat to the UK to pick something up. And I'm not gonna tell you what, but we're gonna pick something up. So I'll see you guys on board. Endless hallway. Jeez. UK. Breakfast time.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
And we're in the Eurotunnel on our way back home. Last stint to get home. Hoe dichter die op het randje staat, hoe beter. Eigenlijk kiezen.
Ja, deze bedoel je.
Wat? Ja, erin, ja. Ligt die?
Hij ligt er.
De koude boom. Now that we are back home, it's the next morning. I'm gonna give you guys a proper look at what we've got here. So, S54, V32, from the E36 M3 of course. Yeah, I'm so excited to put this in the E36. And you're probably wondering why, as we just built the M52. There's several reasons. One is these just keep getting more and more expensive. So the longer I wait with getting one, the more I need to pay. And yeah, I'd rather just get that pain over now because I know I want this engine. So yeah, second, it's not really that it's an issue or not really a big reason, but you always want more power, and the M52 B28 is plenty fast, but just on tracks like Spa or just more GP style tracks, it's just not fast enough on the straights. So yeah. So let me explain what we're gonna do. First of all, I want to give a massive thank you to Johnny and Jesse for helping me get this thing. So Johnny has stored the engine for me on the UK side, and yeah, he's just the best. Epic car. You've probably seen him on the channel. He has the black E36 we did last year, yeah, and he's been doing bits ever since. So next year definitely a video with that car, and just the best guy. So Johnny, if you're watching this, thank you so much. And of course Jesse for picking this up with me. Of course, it's also on him. He convinced me to buy one, so yeah. You know what you did, Jesse. So I returned him the favor and let him buy one. So we're both equally fucked now. So yeah, thank you, Jesse, for coming with me to the UK, picking it up. It was such a great trip. And yeah, without those two guys it wouldn't have been possible. So thanks so much. The plan for this engine, it's gonna get a small rebuild, so basically everything that we can touch without splitting the head and the block. So rod bearings for sure, spark plugs. I think with the valves there's also something. Funnels has been done last year, so we don't have to touch that. Possibly the crank bearings, but we'll just have to pull one plug and see what the condition is, and that's basically the whole story with this engine. Pull everything apart, check the condition, and then based on that decide, do we need to change it, do we need to refresh it, and hopefully put it in soon. So the engine is dirty, so one of the major jobs we need to do is clean this entire engine. So we're going to take everything off, clean it, redo some things in the engine bay. That's basically it. So yeah, we've got a fun series coming up this winter because we've got more mods. I've got a big pre-kit, got the MK60 ABS, possibly some wiring. We're gonna do like new wiring from scratch. So yeah, busy winter. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm not sure about the planning of the videos yet, but very soon you're gonna see the start of tearing down this engine and seeing what needs to be done and getting that done. So hopefully at the beginning of next year we have a running S54 E36. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.